Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. So you may have recently seen one of my paint pours using GenCrafts paints, where I used metallics, titanium white, green pearl, and copper gold, and their regular black. I really love the colors of the green and copper together, and so I wanted to try and test out the paint with another type of paint and just see how it reacts. So I'm going to be using these metallics with my already mixed DecoArt Satin Enamel White and Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed with Floetrol. I have no idea how the two different types of pre-mixed paints will go together, so this is kind of an experiment. I want to do a tree ring pour because often the DecoArt Satin Enamel makes some cool cloud effects, and these metallics seem to sell up as well. Let's get started. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I am going to use my torch, see if I can bring any more cells out and pop any of the bubbles that need to be popped, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I used the torch and then I actually blew on it a little bit, and that is what caused the little tiny white ones to pop. I actually kind of wish this didn't have cells because I love this detail so much, but I think the cells look nice as well. So I'm going to let this sit for a little while and then we'll take a closer look. Alrighty, so I let it sit for probably 20 minutes, and I actually got another canvas ready over here because I still had some left over in my cup. So I will probably have a video coming out sometime in the future with just that little one. Not much has changed on this one, so let's take a closer look. The top left is my favorite part. I love the white and the copper in here. So pretty. And it's kind of hard to see all of the metallic right now, but I'm hoping that as it dries, you'll see that better. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love these colors together. Very cool. Down in here, it's mostly white from a distance, but when you look close, you've got some of the little lines of copper and some of this blue. Well, I guess it's not really a blue, it's a green. Looks kind of blue on the camera though. And then in here, you've got some more of that green. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love these colors together. Something I forgot to mention at the beginning, I actually think that I figured out how to solve my leveling problem. So my desk is leaning toward me, so all of the paint wants to fall off this side. Well, on this painting and one of my recent ones, it might have been the last one I did with GenCrafts paint, I double stacked my cups, both in the front and the back, but in between these two cups, I broke off the end of one of my popsicle sticks, so like one of these. I broke off each end and put it in between the two cups. So this end is a little bit higher than the back end. And so far it's been working really, really nicely. So far the DecoArt Satin Enamel mixed with these pre-mixed GenCrafts colors seems to be working okay. The only thing I noticed is it looks like, I don't know if you can see it in here, looks like the metallics kind of got grainy over the white. It's kind of hard to see. You can kind of see it here. But it's not very noticeable, and I don't think it ruins the effect at all. So overall, I really love this, and I'll probably be doing more experiments because I have a lot more of the GenCrafts paint. If you're interested in checking them out, you can look in the description down below. I have the links to their 3 different sets. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about this color scheme? What other colors would you like to see me try in the future? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.